Smart Culture, Mathematics.
Work out the surface area of the truncated square-based pyramid. Assume that all the sloping faces are congruent. So to solve for the surface area of the truncated pyramid, we need to solve for the areas of its faces and then add them together. So we have one square base, we have one square top, and then we have 4 trapezium sides. So let's start with the square base. The area in this case will be 18 squared, since we are working with a square as a base, and that equals 324. Let's move on to the top square. This side here is equal to 9, so if we square this, we get 81. Next, we have to work out the area of the trapezium. So we'll use the following formula, a plus b divided by 2 times the height. So we don't have the height at the moment. So what we can do is we can use the theorem of Pythagoras to determine the height. So we'll work with this imaginary triangle over here, and we have 2 sides. Now we can use the theorem of Pythagoras to solve the other side, which is the perpendicular height of the trapezium. So we take the square of the one side, which is 14, and we subtract 4.5 squared, which is another side of this imaginary triangle, and then we get the square root of 175.75. So we'll take this value as the height. Now we can plug these values into the formula. Then we get 13.5 multiplied by the square root of 175.75. Now we have to add up all these values. And one thing that you have to keep in mind is that you have to multiply the area of the trapezium by 4, since we are working with 4 trapeziums in this truncated pyramid. So we have 324, and then we add 81, and then we add 4 times 13.5 multiplied by the square root of 175.75. And this equals 1120.88, which will then be the surface area of this truncated pyramid.
And that's a wrap on today's fascinating journey through the world of knowledge. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing community of curious minds. We can't wait to embark on new educational adventures together.